Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to disable haptic feedback on BlueSky app. Tap on the BlueSky app icon on your device to open it. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once inside the app, in the top left corner of the profile page, you will see the 3 horizontal line icon. Tap on it. Then select Settings to access the Settings menu. This contains all the app preferences. Scroll through the Settings menu and look for a section labeled Accessibility. Tap on it. Furthermore, find an option labeled Haptic. These settings control the vibration you feel when interacting within the app. Once you find the haptic option, toggle the switch to turn it off. When disabled, you will no longer feel vibration during the inside app interaction. So this is how to disable haptic feedback on BlueSky app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.